Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can log in to our Google Chat account. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the application. Next, click on the web browser and search Google Chat. After that, click on its website and continue with your email account. Now, your account is logged in. Once you continue with your email or Google account, it will directly log in to your Google Chat. So this is how you log in to your Google Chat. Hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.